Hong Kong. Reuters. Breakingviews. China Tower's flotation shows the price of telecom's dominance. Shares of the infrastructure company opened flat in Hong Kong on Wednesday. The newly listed entity commands a low valuation relative to its Western peers. It's a keen reminder of the cost of leading the global industry. People walk past a sign of China Tower Corp at the PT Expo China in Beijing, China, September 29, 2017. Picture taken September 29, 2017. Reuters. Stringer. The company raised $6.9 billion from the initial public offering, giving it roughly $28 billion market value. Stock was sold at a multiple of almost 8 times its EBITDA in 2017. That's a steep discount to U.S. tower companies, American Tower and Crown Castle, which trade at nearer 22 times and 23 times trailing EBITDA, according to Aecon. Cheap valuations affect the rest of the industry too. The three state-backed carriers, China Mobile, China Unicom and China Telecom, trade on multiples below 3.5 times trailing EBITDA. By contrast, Verizon and T-Mobile are valued at around 7.1 and 7.8 times respectively, while Vodafone is less than 6 times. The steep discounts are in part because Beijing wants the carriers to build out a world-beating 5G network, probably starting in earnest around 2019. EY expects capital expenditure from the technology to reach 1.5 trillion yuan, $220 billion, between 2019 and 2025. The commercial rationale is hazy, and it's uncertain if officials will allow companies to later charge consumers more to recoup costs. The concern for China Tower centers on its future lease negotiations. Current agreements expire in late 2022. The state-owned company may be strong-armed into cutting its exhausted customers, who also double as its part owners, a break on fees. That's what happened earlier this year when the most recent round of negotiations reduced costs for the carriers, shaving around 2.9 billion yuan, $425 million, off net income this year, more than forecast earnings of 2.2 billion yuan, Bernstein estimates. A reminder of the steep expense of China's much-vaunted ambition to lead in telecom technology. That prospect, and the security and commercial implications it might entail, has sent hearts racing in Washington, New Delhi and elsewhere. China Tower investors may also feel the pulses quicken as the scope of that endeavor becomes clear, albeit for very different reasons. Reuters. Breakingviews is the world's leading source of agenda-setting financial insight. As the Reuters brand for financial commentary, we dissect the big business and economic stories as they break around the world every day. A global team of about 30 correspondents in New York, London, Hong Kong and other major cities provides expert analysis in real time. Sign up for a free trial of our full service at https://www.breakingviews.com/trial and follow us on Twitter at Breakingviews and at www.breakingviews.com. All opinions expressed are those of the authors.